the Nomad Base Station Magnetic Wireless Charger. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the Base Station Mini Wireless Charger. This version is the magnetic one, and it will ensure perfect alignment with your MagSafe devices. And it's also compatible with wireless Qi devices as well. I will go over specs, features, and then do a quick demonstration. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a Usb-C power cable. This does not come with a power adapter, but Nomad does offer that separately if you don't have a standard USB-C type power adapter. The charger features magnetic alignment, up to 15 watts of wireless power, padded leather surface, ambient light sensor, USB-C power input. One thing to note is that iPhones are limited by Apple to 7.5 watts for third-party chargers. Taking a look at the charger, you will immediately notice the small design compared to the other chargers that they offer. It feels solid and it has some good weight to it. The top of the charger is lined with padded leather, and you have the Nomad branding etched in on the upper right. The bottom has rubber feet to provide stability. On the front, you'll find the LED light. The back has a USB-C power input and the ambient light sensor for the front LED. As mentioned, this version has the magnets, so you will get perfect alignment with your MagSafe devices. Here you can see how the iPhone gets picked up by the magnets. The charger comes in at 3.5 by 3.5 by 0.4 inches. Now let's see it working with an iPhone 12 and the Apple AirPods Pro. It does work with cases as well. Here you can see the iPhone with a Switch Easy case. I also tested it with an OtterBox. So there you have it. That's a quick look at the Nomad Base Station Mini with magnetic alignment. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.